Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on Google Meet. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go here to Google Meet and you will enter. Then you click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will enter to storage. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.